Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a file from Behance. So first of all, come here on behance.net, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, when you are on the explore page of Behance, you are going to see a bunch of different types of projects over here. So you just have to simply find that particular project that contains the file that you want to download. So for example, let's say I'm going to click on the option of images here. Then among the given images, I'm going to, let's say, simply click on this one. So over here, what you need to do next is to simply look for the download button here. So it depends on the creator. So if the creator has provided a downloadable source file, you just have to simply click on the download button over here in the bottom, or you need to also directly click on the option of the source file. Now after clicking on the option, you just have to simply look for the formats in which you can download that particular file. So you will see a bunch of different formats based on the asset that you have selected, like PSD format or AI, PDF, zip, or other supported file types. Just keep in mind that not every project allows visitors to download the file. The creators can make sources files available only to the subscribers or restricted access to the certain content. So if the download option is available for the file that you want to download, only then you will be able to click on the option of download and save it in your device. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.